Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix low microphone volume in Windows 10. It is a simple way to increase any computer microphone volume. First of all, go to Windows taskbar and click on speaker icon, right click and click on sounds. Then click on recording and show my microphone. So click on double click microphone and then click on levels and first check this one option, increase or decrease microphone volume. So I increase microphone volume, then increase or decrease microphone boost. For example, I increase this one. So increase microphone boost and microphone, and then check your microphone volume, then click on OK. You can see how I fix low microphone volume in easily. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.